Yo, what's up, guys? Mikey Guitar is back with another episode of lesson. Okay, so for today, I want to show you some basic lick you can apply in your worship section. Okay, in your worship section. So I just want to give you 2 to 3 licks that will help you, that will improvise more better on your worship section. Okay, I made a video of how to apply them. Okay, and in my previous video I made a video how to apply them, so I'll still make the video again, but for today I want you to work on these licks. Okay, it will help and enhance your playing as well. Okay, so I would like you to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of it so that you don't miss anything I'm going to show you. Okay, so if it's the first time you watching my video, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that in my video each and every time I post a new video. Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you find this video interesting, you can drop a comment below. Okay, and anything that is a challenge, you can drop it on the comment section and I'm going to give you the answer. Okay, so let's jump into the video right away. All right. So the first lick I'm going to show you is a very simple lick you can apply in the worship section. Okay, for the sake of this video, I'm going to do this lesson in the key of G. Sorry, the key of D. The key of D. And this is the key of D on the third string here. We have it here at the second string. Okay, and we also have it here as well. Okay, okay, so that is the key of D on the third string. Sorry. So the first lick I want you to know is something like this. So what am I playing there? Let me take this closer so that you can see my finger very well. Okay? The number 1 lick there is so do ti so mi re do la do re mi re mo do. Okay? Do la do re mo do. Okay? So do ti. So one of the things you need to practice more harder. One of the things you need to practice well is how to play your slide pullover. Okay, it's how to play a slide pullover. You need to learn it more and more. Okay, because this is one of the things that gives beauty, that gives harmony to your note whenever you are playing it. This pullover. Sorry. From my mi re do. Okay, I just pull over. I just slide it front. Okay. Okay. So no. Okay. Another thing is this kind of a sliding pattern from your re mo. Okay. Okay, so you need to work on that technique very well. When you work on it, you see how your playing is gonna be more effective and harmonizing. Okay, so you need to work on that particular stuff very well. Okay, so the second licks I want to show you there is something like, if you play something like this, all those stuff. Okay. Okay, so la do re mi, so la do re mi need to work hard. You need to work hard to bring out the harmony or the beauty of that licks. Okay, because when you play it fast and when you play with harmony, you play with sliding, you get the beauty of it. Okay, like I just play. Okay, so it's very simple. Just solado, 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 re, mi, re, mo, re, do. Okay, you can equally play it here as well. Okay, solado, re, mo, re, mi, re, mo, re, do. Okay. Okay, so that is the second lick, and the final lick I'm going to show you for today is something like, okay, all those licks that are, you know, they are so harmonizing. You can apply them in your worship section, mostly when you are going to your one note. Okay, it's mostly when you are going to your one note, when the progression is going to your one note. That is where it comes in with such licks. Okay, mi, mi, sol, la, do. Okay, mi, sol, la, do, la. Okay, mi, sol, re, mo, re, do. Okay, okay, okay. So you come in with such licks mostly when the progression of the song is going to your one note, which is the do. Okay, you come in with such licks. So number one is, okay, the number two is, understand? And the number three is, okay, okay. So work hard. Wherever you don't understand, drop in the comment section below, then I'll give you the answer. Okay, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that any more video each and every time I drop a new video. Okay, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, share. Love you guys. Bye.